Hello world, this is Madan Raj from Code Future. What is up? So today, I was working on Solana, and I have some information to share. So in case if you are wondering what is smart contract in Ethereum, right? So basically, what is smart contract and what is program? Okay, the most confusing word is smart contract. So turns out it is super easy, but I was confused, and I think many of other people were being too. So I thought, like, let's make a quick small video in which I'm going to talk about it. So whatever the code we write, it runs, right? Like whatever example, a loop we write, it compiles, it runs, whatever, right? So same thing in blockchains. So for example, let's take Ethereum. So in Ethereum, what we have to write it in Solidity, right? So Solidity is a language in which let's say we write some function or a class or whatever the piece of code we write, so that code is called smart contract in Ethereum, and that code runs on that particular blockchain. So for example, if I am writing a smart contract in Solidity, it will run on Ethereum blockchain. And suppose in Solana, if I'm going to write in Solana, we call them programs instead of smart contract, and it's just a piece of code that runs on that particular blockchain. So I found it very fascinating. Like I thought smart contract is very big thing, but like it's just a piece of code running in a particular language on a particular blockchain. So that is it for now. Lots of blockchain content is coming in future, so stay tuned. Bye.